What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at these $10 light bulbs and to see if they're really worth it. Alexa, turn off the bedroom lights.
Okay.
Let's get right into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is download the app for the bulbs themselves. It's probably more helpful that way. People say you don't need to download the app on the review on the Amazon website, but I just suggest you do. But the version I got is a bundle with 2 bulbs and the hub itself. The reason I say they're only supposedly $10 is that the bulbs will not work unless you have a hub from the company or either the big Amazon Echo Plus, that's like $200, or you buy another brand from Samsung or so, the ones that are compatible with this company. So if you just buy the bulbs themselves, they will not work. They'll just work as regular bulbs and you'll just waste your money. So that's why you guys should make sure you do your research, and if you make sure that your hub is compatible with this device. And if you're like me, I ended up buying 2 bulbs not knowing my device itself wasn't compatible, and then having to go back and buying a bundle because they do not sell the hub itself. So it's not actually $10. I should let you guys know that now. If you don't have a hub, it's gonna end up costing you around $40. The setup was pretty simple, as you could see from the video itself. Didn't take that long. Adding the bulb was really weird. It made me scan the barcode of the bulb itself instead of like putting a number or code on the box. So here I'm adding the devices to Alexa itself, the skills. And then I had to group the new light bulbs into the right room, so when I said the room, it actually turned on the light bulbs. And here is me testing it out. Alexa, turn off bedroom lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on bedroom lights.
Okay.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe if you feel like I deserved it. Let me know if you have any tips for me for future product reviews. And check out my playlist down below for games and contents and other stuff. See ya!